By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to play Amazing Grace.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
I've helped over 2,000 people learn this song. If you are trying desperately to learn guitar and feel like you are struggling with it, click the link below. Be sure to watch this video till the end. There is something here today you can learn that's going to make a greater difference in your guitar playing. I want to make sure you have your guitar ready to participate. So let's jump straight in. I just want to jump in here really quickly and tell you about my brand new book, Let's Learn Guitar Together. This book is for grandparents, parents and kids who love to learn alongside each other. It also can be used for teacher and students because it has both the chords and the melodies. Now there's 20 fun songs in this, just like Amazing Grace that you've learned today. You can get this book by tomorrow on Amazon, following the link in the description. And all our books are printed in full colour. If this video is helping you right now, consider subscribing to the channel and be the first notified when I post new videos just like this one. We now live in a world where we are drawn to things that are easy. We turn to our phones. We want to find a video that's just immediately going to entertain us, motivate us, or to do something passive. The world is becoming drawn to easy. We are becoming addicted to easy. Easy doesn't help us achieve greatness. Greatness is achieved through mastery. And mastery can take time. It's not easy, but it's worth it. My friend, seek mastery, and this will become one of your greatest advantages in your life, in whatever you pursue in the future. Seek mastery in a world that is obsessed with easy, and that's going to be your greatest advantage. Why do I tell you this? Because sometimes we can flip from video to video, hoping to find something that's just good to entertain us or give us an easy fix to our guitar playing. but I want you to work and seek mastery instead of easy.